Hello friends. My name is Tukaram Dixit. Today's date is 9th February 2022, and today's our topic is access modifier in Java. In that we will see first as the name suggests as the name suggests modifier in Java. We the helps to restrict the scope of a class, then constructor, variables, methods, or data members. There are four types of access modifier in Java. Constructor variable, there are four types of access modifier in Java. First one is the default, that means no keyword required. Then second one is private. Then third one is protected, and fifth one is last one is the public. In that we can see one by one. In that first one is default. In default, in same class, default, private, protected, public are in same class. But in then but in same package subclass only default and public access modifier will be SSS. Then private and protected is not only private is not in a sub package and subclass. Same package and subclass. Then next one is the same package non subclass. Then default and protected, public are in same package on non subclass. Only private access modifier is no in same package and non in subclass. Then the next one is the different package and subclass. In that default access modifier and then default and private access modifier are not in different package in subclass, but default private and public is the in different package and subclass. Then different package non subclass, then their private protector, then it is the not then we will discuss about it briefly one by one. In that first access modifier is the default. In that when no access modifier is specified for a class, method, or data member, it is said to be having the default access modifier by default. Then the next point is the data members, class or methods which are not declared using any access modifier, that is having default the access modifier are accessible only within the same package. Then for example of the default is we will create two package, and the classes in the package will be having the default access modifier, and we will try to access class from one package to one package from a class of the second package. Then we can see the next point in the next access modifier is the private. Then in that the private access modifier is specified using the keyword private. In that next point is the method or data members are declared as a private, are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. The next point is in the private access modifier, any other class of same package will not be able to access these members. And next one is the top level classes or interfaces cannot be declared as a private because first one, because private means only visible within the enclosing class, and second, next one is the protected means only visible within the enclosing class and any subclass. Then next one is the hence these modifiers in terms of application to classes apply only nested classes and not on top level classes. For example, we will create two classes A and B within the same package P1. Then we will declare a method class as a private, and try access these methods from class B and see the result. Then then the next point is the next point of access modifier is the protected. Next of access modifier is the protected. The protected access modifier is specified using the keyword protected. Then the method in that the methods or data members declare as a protected as accessible within the same package or subclasses in different package. For example of protected, we will create a two package P1 and P2. Then class A and P1 is made public to access in P2. Then the method I displayed in class A is protected, and class B is inherited from class A, and this protected method is then accessed by creating object of class B. Then the next access modifier is the public. The public access modifier is specified by using keyword public. In that, the public access modifier has the widest scope among all other access modifier. It is the most usable access modifier. Then in that, classes, method or data members that are declared as a public are accessible from anywhere in the program. There is no restriction on the scope of public data members. Thank you.